Solve by the quadratic formula. The equation 3w squared plus 2 is equal to 6w. Let's start by putting this quadratic equation in standard form. So subtract 6w from both sides to write this as 3w squared minus 6w plus 2 is equal to 0. Now we have it in a form where we can identify our values of a, b, and c. A is equal to 3, b is equal to negative 6, and c is equal to 2. Now let's substitute those values into our quadratic formula. We want a negative b, or the negative of negative 6, plus or minus b squared, so that's a negative 6 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is 2, all over 2 times a, which is 3. Now let's clean this up. The opposite of negative 6 is positive 6, plus or minus, underneath the radical, negative 6 squared is 36, minus 4 times 3 is 12, times 2 is 24, and that's all over 6. So this becomes a 6 plus or minus the square root of 12 all over 6. Now that's a pretty good answer, but let's go ahead and simplify things a little bit. 12 has a perfect square factor of 4. In fact, 12 is 4 times 3. So let's rewrite that numerator as 6 plus or minus. Square root of 4 is 2. That 2 comes out. The 3 stays underneath. Don't forget that both of those terms are over 6. Our numeric values in here are all even numbers. They have a common factor of 2, so let's do some reducing. I'm going to factor 2 out of the numerator and write it as 2 times 3 plus or minus the square root of 3. Let's write that value of 6 as 2 times 3 so that we can see those common factors of 2 and cancel them out. A reduced form is 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 all over 3. Now stop there. Don't make the mistake of thinking that you can reduce further. We're done at this point. A check is going to verify that these solutions both do work, so let's summarize by saying the solution set is, and using set notation, 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 all over 3.